Alrighty, I am doing my first Humvee unboxing video, so I'm sure this will suck, but let's see how it goes. I ordered a bunch of stuff at the beginning of the week. Today's Saturday, just got these in from UPS. I have no idea what stuff is coming in what order. Oh, I think I know what these are. These are the heavy duty hinges for the doors. They use these big heavy duty deals for the big heavy duty armor plate doors. And I just happened to see these on eBay, and I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to get these instead of the normal 2-point mounts that they normally use, because I plan to do some heavy duty doors, and so yeah. I'm actually very happy with the weight on those. Those are nice and strong and heavy, which I assume they were. When you're getting stuff from online, you kind of are always a little bit weary of it. This is a Snorkel. Now the box did have some damage right there. Let's hope it didn't go all the way through to the pipe. That's right where that was. Yeah, it actually did give it a tiny ding right there, but I'm not going to worry about that at all. And this is a very nice quality unit here. They have some snorkels on there that I've seen with the guys that are selling them. They're out of like PVC, but I saw the arm on there and I saw the weld, and so I knew this was all metal. But yeah, that's good. I'm actually very happy with that. And we got the elbow for it. The one thing that is very unfortunate, I'm having a very hard time finding the air filter housing and the pipes. So the air filter attaches to that other end of the elbow, and then it goes in, and then there's a little pipe that kind of curves around and then goes to the intake. And I'm missing both of those pieces on the vehicle I got from the auction, and I'm actually having an extremely hard time finding those. But I'm sure I eventually will. That seems like aluminum. That's too lightweight to be metal. Or, well, I mean, sorry, to be steel. But the Humvee bodies are all aluminum to keep the weight down, since they're already plenty heavy enough as it is. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. I don't know if you can see, but it has a screen and it has the holes in there. Well, you know what? This guy, he did a really good job at this. The shipping was a lot of money, but you know, you just have to look at the price overall, what you're paying, regardless of what the shipping is. But yeah, on my webpage and on YouTube, I will definitely give people credit down below for making high quality stuff. Like, that is really, really good. I will recommend this guy's stuff absolutely. I covered up, let's see here if it says his eBay name on here. Yeah, see, I marked it out for the video, but now it's, the tape is on it. I can't get to it. I'll have to put it in the credits. Now this here, what the hell did I order that was so small? I think the only stuff I ordered was Humvee stuff. I guess we'll find out if this is something other than Humvee stuff, but I don't think it is. Oh, that's what it is. Nice. Oh, it got really dark in here, didn't it? Oh, wow. There's a storm coming that just came in out of the blue. No wonder the neighbors are putting away all the yard sale stuff already. And it's only like probably 2:30. Yeah, maybe I should have had that going from the beginning. Anyways, so yeah. This is the, for the turn signals and everything. The, park off. Oh, that's kind of weird. So that locks this out. You know what? I guess I could see the reason for that, because if you're doing some highly sensitive missions in the military, you don't want to accidentally be able to turn on your headlights, so they're locked out. So you can do your the infrared lights, like those, you can go to that all you want. But in order to turn the normal lights on, it looks like you have to do that and then do that. You have to hold that at the same time, so that's kind of annoying. But I can understand why they do that. But that's a nice, solid, heavy piece of metal. Yeah, now that thing is perfect. And then so this from earlier, now that the lights are on, this guy made a really high quality unit here. I like this. Okay, we got a big storm coming through right now out of the blue. Alright guys, thank you very much, and that's my first video. Hopefully it wasn't too bad.